Repairing a flat tire is easy with Slime's tire plug kits. Follow these 5 simple steps for a complete tire repair. Step 1. Remove the nail, screw, or other puncturing item from your tire. Step 2. Use the reamer tool to clean up and roughen the puncture. Saw it back and forth multiple times to prep the hole for the plug. Step 3. Remove a plug from its clear backing. Then, thread it halfway through the eye of the plugger needle. If your kit came with plug bond, coat the middle section of the tire plug with it. Step 4. Using the plugger tool, push the tire plug 2/3 of the way into the hole, leaving the ends of the tire plug sticking out. Quickly pull the plugger tool straight out, leaving the plug behind. Do not twist the needle. Step 5. Air up your tire. Congratulations! You have successfully plugged your flat tire.